Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of headphones from Amazon. They are Jbl headphones, so they came in this box, so I will open them up. But seller was some other seller, not Amazon. These are Jbl 500. So here's the packaging info. And here they are, Jbl Pure Zero cables, Bluetooth. So the box looks like this. Jbl Pure Bass headphones, 16 hours we have, and they are pure bass sounds, hands-free calls, multi-point connection, and lightweight and foldable design. Yeah, I read the reviews that people like that they are foldable and they can fall asleep in them and they don't break. And they have 5-minute charge, gives you 1 hour charge. Charged battery. Wireless pure bass. So let's open them. I guess where to open? Yeah. And here. Nice. Let's take something falling out my box. It was cable. So here is the thing. Here is some instruction, which might be needed soon. And here we are. So this is how they look. Wow, feels really nice. So yeah, here are my headphones from Jbl, and I turn it on and they are really easy to connect. They just show up right away with my iMac. Like, they don't need even to be like pressed long or something, or 2 buttons. They just easily connect like right away. And when they are on, they put out another headphones and they like prioritized, which is fine. They have 2 holes here. I don't know if it's for what, microphone or what. So it looks like this on me. When I have when I have them on, I can't hear myself well. And when I guess I'm like cancelling even something like. And they have here sponge, So actually they have some cancelling properties. I mean, way better than my other ones that were really cheap for 20 bucks from Best Buy. And here you easily can reduce or higher your volume, and as you can see they move around like this way, and they also here regulate easily. The only downside, I would say, they have a little small this part for ears, so hope they not gonna have pain. So yeah. And they come with this charging cable. I don't know how long they will be charged, these ones, but when I will plug them to this hole, this charging cable is a short one and it's orange, which doesn't go well with this headphones, but it's fine. They have different ones too, but they're standard, I hope. So one is ending is USB and another is this ending, which is micro USB or what? The standard one. And then you plug them here to charge this way. Yeah, and then they charge with some thingies. So I connected them with my iMac and quality is good. I really like it. For this price, I think it's great quality. I bought in past Bose noise cancelling headphones, and I have unboxing on my channel and they were worse quality, so these ones are better. So yeah, they are looking like this. They have good bass quality, so they will be good for listening to music, but I will watch YouTube and Netflix in them, as I got Netflix too. And I also got, with my Amazon purchase, I've got $6 protection plan for 3 years. So if I break, I can get some protection. So yeah, and they fall like this, flat, and you can put them to a pouch in this way also. That's cool. For example, pouch from Victoria's Secret that I've got. We have some plastic smell too, but it will go away, I'm sure. So yeah, oh, they fold even this way, that's cool. As you can see, they fold also this way and this way. Oh, they would be great for traveling, but they don't have cable. But for phone or tablet or computer. I don't know what this entrance is. Is it some kind of microphone? I also got another headphones from Jbl, but noise cancelling, which is 600 BT. So I will then connect with iPhone. If you press this dot button, twice, this one. Then it gets you to Siri or Google Now. It has to be twice, and if you 2 seconds press it, then you pair and connect to one device, and then it can be then connected with second Bluetooth device. That's interesting. And it can pick when you press here. It also pick up phone calls. You press one time, and if you press less than 2 seconds, it closes. Phone call, turn on off, less than 2 seconds, press. And it also, I guess it's that. It has that Siri stuff. Because for example, when you are in car, you can use it. It even has Polish stuff here. My language. That's nice. I like my headphones, glad I've got them. I recommend them. If you like my videos, thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also hit notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload. And they are in light pink color, which is cute, like rose pink. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next time. Bye bye.